In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable blocks on Squarespace in just about 5 minutes. If you're looking to add some flair or functionality to your Squarespace website with different content blocks, you're in the right place. We'll guide you through each step in a clear and concise way, ensuring you can follow along regardless of your experience level with Squarespace. Let's dive right in. The first thing you'll want to do is navigate to the Squarespace website. This is where all the magic starts. Once you're there, you'll notice a login button. Go ahead and click on that. Squarespace offers a few different ways to log in, but for simplicity and convenience, we recommend using the Continue with Google option. This way you can bypass remembering another password and get straight to the point. After clicking on Continue with Google, you'll be prompted to choose your Google account. Select the one you'd like to use for Squarespace, or the one already associated with your Squarespace site, and you're almost halfway through the process. Now that you're logged in, it's time to focus on your website. You'll want to access your specific site where you intend to add blocks. If you have multiple sites, make sure to select the correct one. Squarespace's user-friendly interface should display your sites clearly, making this step a breeze. Once you've selected your website, it's time to enter the editing mode. Look for the edit option, which allows you to make changes to your site. This is where you can start customizing your site to your heart's content. In edit mode, you'll be able to see your website's layout and all the sections that make it up. This next step is crucial. Hover over the left side of a section where you would like to add a new block. Squarespace's design interface is intuitive, showing you exactly where you can add new elements to enrich your site. As you hover, you'll notice an add block option appears. This is exactly what you're looking for. Clicking on Add Block will open up a world of possibilities for customizing your site. Squarespace offers a wide array of block types, including text, images, buttons, galleries, and more. Choose the block that fits your needs, and you'll be able to add and customize content within that block to match your vision for the site. And just like that, you've successfully enabled blocks on your Squarespace site. With this newfound knowledge, you can continue to experiment and refine your website, making it a perfect reflection of your brand or personality. Remember, the beauty of Squarespace is in its flexibility and ease of use. Don't hesitate to try different blocks and layouts to see what works best for you. The platform is designed to be user-friendly, so you're encouraged to explore and make the most of its features. Thank you for following along with this tutorial on enabling blocks on Squarespace. We hope this guide has been helpful and you feel confident in adding and customizing blocks on your website. Happy designing, and here's to creating a website that perfectly captures your vision.